Alright, g'day guys, welcome back to another video. This might just be our first video here in Byron.
Yeah. Oh, let's go.
I have shot a couple of things since we've been here. We've been here. Today is Saturday. We got here, I think we've been here a week. And I have shot a couple of little things, but nothing to make a video with. So yeah, today might be the first Byron Bay video. And Kerry worked Wednesday, Thursday, Friday last week. So she's kind of keen to go explore. So I think we're going to go see a waterfall maybe. But yeah, just explore I guess. So yeah, let's see what we get up to. Alright, we are here. We just set up like a little school lesson for the boys. I wish I could have made that getting here sequence a little bit better, but the road in here was not friendly. This last bit was like pretty much a one-way road. Don't know how two cars would get down that. And yeah, previous to that, there was nowhere to pull over anyway, so yeah, let's I think we've got a little bit of walking to do, so yeah, let's go for a walk.
50,000 miles away.
Yeah, that's a long way away. I think I just got a glimpse of where we're going. We come from that white fence way back there. Probably can't see it, but I just got a glimpse and we're not even halfway there. But now you can't see it because there's a hill there. Yeah, it's a bit further away than we thought. And the road is very steep.
50 miles away!
Hopefully it's worth it. Alright, we've been here for a little bit now. As you would have just seen, we've seen the waterfall and it's pretty bloody nice. But now we're trying to do some school work with the boys, some like homeschool work. We got this book that has information about all animals and trees and shrubs and stuff. So we're going to get them to do like a bit of like find a tree and do some information, write down some information about it. It's kind of like a outdoor lesson. Yeah, so we're just doing that now. We've been here for a little bit. We had a look at the waterfall, had some lunch. Now we're doing some school work, and then we need to head back down. But yeah, it's a pretty nice spot. The only downside here is there is literally no bins. So we've got all of our rubbish back in our bag, which is a bit frustrating, but oh well, yeah, it's a good spot. I wish we come up on this road because it looks like there's another road up here and it looks heaps easier. Alright, Waterfall explored, lunch had, schoolwork done. Now we need to walk back. The road we walked on was pretty long, so not really looking forward to it, but we'll be alright.
It's gonna be 2 hours
This
back.
area, look at this area. Looks so good.
It's 2 hours back.
Alright, see you when we get back in the car. Alright, pretty successful mission, I think. Now we've got to get back down, and I'm not looking forward to it because this road is pretty hectic. It's pretty much one-way road, but the only road up here. So
And it's got bumps.
yeah, it's pretty bad. I might try and get Kerry to get a little bit of footage, but yeah, let's tackle it. I'm not looking forward to it, but let's go. Well, after Minyon Falls the other day, yesterday we just come back and just didn't really do much. I did some editing and yeah, kids played with some boys, made some new friends, but I didn't record anything. So, but today, we've already been up, done stuff. I just went for a run with the boys around the block, and now Kerry and Xavier are going to make muffins, I think. So yeah, it's definitely not school though. Xavier doesn't want to do school on weekends. So it's just
and put it into the bowl again.
mum, son baking session, I guess.
Okay, Xavier just put his fingers in the salt and put it in his mouth. Don't do it.
It tastes good too.
Okay, Xavier. Okay, taste one, but
Alright, as I said earlier, it's the next day after going up to Minyon Falls, but we're going back up there because we went to the top of the falls and I'm really interested in seeing what the bottom of the falls is like. But this video is probably getting a little bit longer, so I might just cut to the little cinematic that I make when we get there, unless anything interesting happens. But yeah, this is the bottom of Minyon Falls. was a bit of a fail. It's probably the first little hike fail that we've had all together, but I'd probably do it if I was by myself, but I don't really want to take the family down because if you can see there's been a bit of a landslide here, which would hence the reason why this track is actually blocked off. I didn't really listen to the blocked off track thing because yesterday the track we went on was blocked off and there was nothing wrong with it. Maybe you shouldn't have had cars, like the rocks might have been a little bit loose for cars, but it was perfectly fine to walk. But this one there's been a couple of little landslides, so we're just going to go back up. I would do it. You can try and get down. I think would be perfect getting down using that stick and walking around. But yeah, A, it's getting back up, and B, we've got to get the whole family down, that kind of thing. So yeah, that's a fail for the bottom of the Minyon Falls, but might come back here in a couple of months' time and hopefully they've fixed it up a little bit. We did see a lizard before. I didn't get too much footage of it because this lens is a little bit too wide to be able to see it properly, but it scared the shit out of me. If we can see that on the way back, I'll get a bit more footage, but yeah. I worked out a way to get footage of the bottom of the falls. I kind of forgot I had my drone with me, but let's see what we can get. It might even be the end of this video, so if you liked it, click like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you in the next one.
Click the bell.
Bye!
So, how's it going? If this video is good, thank you.